All right, here we are on our way to the beautiful blue ocean. Right now it is 79 degrees, and we are getting ready to make our crest up over the hill. Oh, there's some serious traffic over there. Going south on the 5. Anyways, I got distracted because there's traffic going south. It's like stopped on this bridge over here. Over there. Cars are now moving.
Good thing we're not going that way.
Yeah, good thing we're not going south. So we are coming this way. I'll let you watch. For those of you who are in colder climates, there is our blue ocean. Can you see it? Because I can. It's right there.
It's beautiful.
Not a cloud in the sky.
There's clouds.
Well, those don't count.
Those clouds don't count.
I'm referencing to the marine layer, the fog. Look at it, so blue. So pretty and blue.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I miss you, beach. It's been so long.
It has.
You and I have parted. We were once good chums. I would go read at the beach.
Me too.
And just hang out and take pictures and look at the blue, blue water. Oh, it's so very fun. It is the ocean. Do you see it?
Her face is so messy.
I see ocean.
There it is.
It's blue.
It's blueies.
Is it blueies? Here we go. This is very climactic. Gotta let this person through. Here we come. It's so clear and pretty.
Oh my gosh.
There's the ocean.
It's crowded. It's crowded.
Yay, ocean.
Yes.
Woo! We've made it. There's the ocean. Now we gotta try to find some spot. Maybe we may just scratch it.
Yeah.
The fun of parking. Okay, here we go to the water. She's so excited. Ah! Emma, come over here. Julia's over here. Where you going? I don't know where she's going. Ooh, that feels nice. Sure, it's very cold. I haven't quite got all the way in yet. The children, they don't know what cold is. Woo, can feel it. Here comes a wave. Woo, that's chilly. Ah! Are you having fun? Jump over it! Jump over the wave! Go jump over it! Can you do it? Ah! Hey, are you having fun? Emma's been having a blast the whole time. Oh, we've got her. Did it get you? That's funny. And there's Cole right there. Having a good old time. Oh, hi, Julia. Here's Julia to join the fun. It's coming! It's coming! Ah! Tell Emma that I'm gonna go sit down and watch her from afar, and I point to where we are and I say the blue box back here, which is the cooler. And she started recently, I don't know, within the last 2 weeks, she'll say, when I tell her something, I said, we're by the blue box, she says, aye aye. I think she got that from her Jake in the Neverland Ranch. I think they always say that. And here's my boy. No. Come on, Alyssa. What are you? Your first time around a child, just let him get the chips. You're gonna let him grab them next inside and add some saltiness to them. Look, he's gonna get the bread. See, now what's going on? Great. We can't take you anywhere. There's our dirty little boy. Staying on the towel, this didn't work. And there's Cole. He's in my way. I'm just going to shuffle them off. Okay, so I don't know how, but I guess she got wet, and now she's a little naked girl running around. Now she's totally naked. He's just eating sand. Whose child is that? I'm not even sure if I'm filming anything. And we'll see how this goes. She better be quick. Better be quick. Well, I got a few good ones. I got a few cute little nakeds pictures. Way to be quick, Mom. Way to be quick.
Way to be quick? Yeah.
She'd have ran away if she saw you coming.
She's like, they're wet. I'm like, that's okay. The shorts are wet and you're wet. I'll go back and switch it out.
Emma! The only downside is she doesn't have a diaper on. And peeing's not such an issue. It's the number 2 that is a problem. I could be a mess. I've got 2 camera devices, and Laura's going to try to one-handed. Why don't you go get a bucket with water? We're going to see how Laura does this. Ha ha. Alright, where'd she run off to? The pants are kind of falling down. Oh well.
Did I get any kind of washing?
Yeah, he's cleaner. Just in time to get dirty. You may want to dry him. Emma, go get that seagull over there. Go get him. Go run fast and get him. Go run faster! That is not your top speed. Not sure what Laura's doing here.
He's tired.
Okay, smile. Oh, here are all the kids. Hanging out, having a good old time. And Alyssa off to herself because she's too cool to be with the other kids. Laying by herself, getting tan. Near the other kids. Alright, so Eli just took off. Okay, look at him. Oh, he was just taking off. Oh, there he goes. Well, this makes it hard to contain him when he just takes off. See how far he goes. Let's watch. Oh, no. Oh, it's a rock. Stop trying to find stuff to put in your mouth. You stop trying to find stuff. You, mister. You. You don't need to eat that. Go get the bird. Let's go get the bird. Oh, it's too fast for me. Go. Oh wait, got a second wind. Hey bud. Hi. You. Okay, you gonna walk? Hey Emma, what do you have? Is Nemo playing in the ocean? Where's his daddy? He's where?
He's in his second cage.
Is he stuck in the cave?
Yes,
Oh man! How are we gonna get him? Whoa, big waves. Little cheeks. Oh, is he stuck? Oh man. Nikki. Haha. Is he swimming? Careful, don't let him go. Or he'll float away. Yeah. You just notice the sand under her feet washes away when you stand there. Man, it is such a clear day. You can see all the way to Torrey Pines. I don't even know what the point is way out there. But I know that's a pretty long ways north. It's a beautiful day. Ha! Oh no, here comes one! Here it comes! No, don't get me wet. No, you, don't get me wet. No. Ah, you silly. No! Don't get me wet! No! What are you doing? No! I do see the moon. Hi, moon. Braden's having a rough time right now. Not quite sure what he wants. He's getting Alyssa dirty. Good sister. There's Emma. Oh. Oh, they're gonna brave the water. It's gonna be cold.
We're surfing.
Okay, go surf.
Anna, I'm going right here.
Show me what you got. You're not going anywhere.
Stop.
Oh, what do you have? What did you build? You built a house for me? Whose house is it? It's Daddy's? Where's the front door? Okay, make me a front door. Where's the fireplace for a fire? Right there. Where is the dog gonna sleep? Where's his bed? Oh, right there. Oh, okay. Where's Emma's room? Where's Eli's room? Where's Mommy and Daddy's room? It's like way over there. Okay, so Katie's friend here. Oh, and lay back down. Oh, and back up. Oh, we've disturbed him.
Okay.
Oh, there he goes. Mister is very tired. He's had a lot of sand eating.
No.
A lot of crawling, a lot of sun. Oh, gross. What was that? Well, we're staying due to the beach today. Have to come back. Hopefully this next week. I hear a storm maybe brewing. But I'll take this day anytime over a rainy day, right?
I can't
Today
see.
a good day? Well, you look at the camera, not the sun.
I can't
Come on, are
even
you
look
new
at
at
the
this?
camera.
Okay, we'll go like this. Okay, did you have fun today?
Yes.
How was your little boy? I mean your brother, since you're like his little mama duck.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, we got to get out of here.